Yay, my package came. UPS. Yes. Alright, let's see what it is. Ooh, there you go. That's right there. Woohoo! So one. Yes. There's only one in there. So yes. Okay, sweet. Just got a Tangle therapy. Oh wow, this thing's cool. Tangle therapy. Whoa, this thing is pretty cool. It's already addicting. Okay, whoa, okay, whoa. This one feels like little gel-like things. Look at that. Just twists, morphs, and shapes into any way you want it. That's cool. This thing came. This thing came in the mail today. Tangle therapy. Twistable therapy device relieves minor stress, stops smoking aid, improves range of hand motion, restores motion of joints, improves muscle performance, strengthens finger muscles, rehabilitates hand muscles and joints. This is the package it came in. So, as you can see, this thing is pretty cool. So, yeah. Soft, it's flexible. It's gel, it feels like gel. Whoa, you can even take this one apart. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. And you can even, I'm pretty sure you can snap it back together. Yeah. I'm gonna get 2 more of these coming soon, so this thing is awesome. Look at that, it's already fun and addicting. You can make it and morph it into like any shape. So thank you for watching this little comment video thing I did for YouTube, and I think it was my headphones. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you get one of these. It's really cool. Thank you and bye.